Welcome you all to this video. In this video, we will have a look about e-learning resources. In current situation, MHRD, UGC, inter-university centers have taken several initiatives so that students can continue their learning process at their home through online platform. These are all the top online resources. Number 1. Swayam. Swayam is a program initiated by Government of India. It offers best online resources free of cost to students without any registration. The courses hosted on Swayam are 4 ways. Number 1. Video lectures. 2. Downloadable and printable reading materials. Number 3. Test and quiz. Number 4. Discussion forum. This is ePG Pathsala. ePG Pathsala offers interactive e-content in 70 subjects across all disciplines, including social science, arts, humanities, mathematics, fine arts, sciences, and etc. Students get access to 23,000 interactive modules. This is Swayam Prabha. Swayam Prabha is a group of 32 DTH channel devoted to telecasting high quality educational programs to covering various disciplines. Sudganga. Sudganga is the portal which is useful for PhD research scholars. It has a collection of around 2,60,000 Indian electronic theses and dissertations. Sudh Sindhu. eSudh Sindhu. This website provides access to bibliography, citations, and factual database in various disciplines along with 15,000 core and peer-reviewed journals from co-publisher, colleges, universities, and centrally funded technical institutions. This is Vidwan. Vidwan involves the database of experts, scholars, prospective collaborators, and policy makers that is highly useful for the research community. This is NPTEL website, which is nptelac.in. It is one of the largest online repository in the world. This NPTEL is an initiative of Indian Institute of Technologies and Indian Institute of Science. It offers engineering, basic science, humanities, social science, etc. NEAT. NEAT is an initiative of MHRD to provide a platform for learning of state-of-the-art technology areas through online products offered by industries. Ellis free courses. Number of companies have come forward to give the educational products for free of cost in the corona lockdown period, and this platform is one of them. It can be accessed through free.aicteindia.org. Diksha. This Diksha platform offers content development by experienced teachers of CBSE board, NCERT board and state boards. More than 80,000 e-books available for 12th standard. NROER. A repository of e-books and e-courses has been developed by National Repository of Open Educational Resources, that is NROER. It is a collection of more than 14,000 files including 3,000 documents, 1,300 sessions, 1,600 audio files and more than 6,100 videos. ePathshala. ePathshala is an NCERT platform. Students can read and download books from 1st to 12th standard for free of cost. This is IBM. IBM Training and Skill Organization is offering free courses during lockdown which are designed to build the valuable skills. This is Tata Steel. The Tata Steel is offering online courses open to all industry professionals. More than 25 courses are offered for only 1 INR in the lockdown period. CBSE. eCBSE. Students can also read and download CBSE study material for free from the official website of CBSE. The study material is available for all the classes from 1st to 12th. This is Byju's. Byju's is the learning app. It is the world's largest platform for school students with 42 million registered users. This is Harvard Online Courses. Harvard Online Courses, it offers variety of open learning opportunities including online courses and modules with more than 67 free online courses. Harvard is the best option to enhance the skill in this pandemic time. Khan Academy. Khan Academy is an American non-profit educational organization created in 2008 by Salman Khan with the goal of creating a set of online tools that will help educate the students. The organization produces short lessons in the form of videos. This is Open Yale Courses. It provides lectures and other materials from selected Yale colleges to public free of charge. MIT Open Courseware. MIT Open Courseware is a web-based publication of virtually all MIT course content. eGyan Ghosh. eGyan Ghosh is a national digital repository to store, index, preserve, distribute and share the digital learning resources developed by open and distance learning institutions. This is Vidyamitra. Vidyamitra is an integrated e-content portal developed by Inflibrit Center, has more than 46,500 content files for undergraduate courses. National Digital Library of India. National Digital Library can be accessed by http://ndl.iitkharagpur.ac.in. The objective is to collect the metadata and provide full text index from several national and international digital libraries as well as other relevant sources. This is ePrint Archives. Student can also access the Open ePrint Archives. This is free ebooks. Delnet, National Digital Library, eBooks, Bookboon, Open Library, Project Gutenberg, Free Bookspot, Many-Books and UNESCO Open Access Publications. Finally, I hope this information will be helpful to you in this Corona period. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.